I'm currently a master's student, so I'm taking the remote recording class taught by Dr. Ko here at Belmont University. The Audio Engineering Technology Master's Program here at Belmont is a 2-year program. What it does is it actually allows students to really learn the physics of audio engineering. We really went into depth in class, and when it came to doing projects like Belmont Tracks, it was very important and vital that we really took into consideration what techniques were being used, what equipment was being used. The good thing about that is it actually allows the students to really gain that real world experience. So when it comes to the audio side, there are a lot of different things that have to be considered. I know one thing was the actual layout and how we were going to structure and have all of the microphones placed, how it is picked up in the microphone. It could really create a big issue. So there were a lot to consider, and not only myself, but the entire team as a whole, we were able to put our heads together, make sure Belmont Tracks got the best audio possible. The presence Belmont has just in the music industry is very important. You're able to come in as a student, you graduate, and next thing you know, you're over here doing your lifelong dream, something that you have never dreamt about, thought of doing. I know for a fact I wouldn't have been able to do anything like that if I didn't attend Belmont. So that's very important that Curb College and Belmont University offers that to its students.